Guys, if you look around on all the sites, you will see people talking about Instagram threads. It is very much in trending. So what is this Instagram threads? Is it the next big thing? Is it the next social media platform like TikTok? Is it the next big thing for all the social media influencers? Or what exactly is it? In this video, I will tell you exactly what is Instagram threads, what are its features all about, and what are the advantages. Can we earn money on it? And how to make a channel on it. So make sure you watch the entire video. If you are new to this channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel. So come on, let's start the video. Now guys, I will tell you a very funny thing. Now what is happening is all the owners of these social media platforms are like in a battle with each other. And the competition is tight, guys. And when there is too much competition, it is good for people like us. You guys already know Elon Musk, the owner of Twitter. Now to give competition to Twitter, Mark Zuckerberg has come up with his own platform, which is exactly like Twitter, guys, and he has named it Threads. Once again, it is a meta product and is closely connected to Instagram. If you go to see, it is exactly like Twitter and nothing new. On Twitter, you can post text, GIFs, photos, short videos, and now you can do the exact same thing on Threads. But on Threads, there are some features which are still not available, but still it is the same thing. So if you are a user of Twitter, then using Threads will be very easy for you guys. So hoping that you guys have understood what Threads is. Well, in short, Threads is Twitter. Now I will show you how to open an account on Threads. So guys, once you open the Instagram app, you will reach on this page. Now in the top right, if you press on the three lines, a menu will drop down, and here as you can see, Threads is written. Once you press on the Threads, you will see a QR code like this, and once you hit on the QR code, you will reach in the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on what operating system you are using. So once you reach here, you will press on the Get button and your app will start to download. Once the download is complete, you will see that Get is turned into Open. Now you will have to press on the Open. Once you press on the Open, your app will open, and once your app opens, the first thing you will see is this screen. Here you will see that the Instagram profile is already connected, and it will give you an option of importing your bio and your links. You can write different things here as well, but I will import my bio and links from the Instagram account. So when you press import, everything will be automatically filled. Then you will have to press next. Once you press next, it will ask you if you want to follow the same people whom you are following on Instagram. So press on the follow all, and once you press the follow all, it will start loading and it will give you a brief detail how Threads work. After the loading is complete, your profile will open. So as you guys can see, people have already started posting. You can see posts from whom you are following, all the tweets or threads, I must say. If you press on the search icon, you can search the people here, and if you press the notepad, you can start typing your message which you want to post. And if you press on the heart, you can see all your activities, your mentions, your reports, and all that stuff here. And if you press on the profile, you can edit your profile here and change things in your profile. So this is what it is, guys. So there you have it, guys. It is simple. It is like Twitter. So guys, do let me know in the comments below if you would love to use this platform or no. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.